I hear the word cruise, I imagine the most romantic vacation. Sailing the crystal clear turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, or dancing till dawn in the piano lounge. Or perhaps watching the sunrise in a different port each morning. Hagen's Travel has been your original cruise expert for over 62 years. Today we're going to talk about cruising, and with us is a representative from Holland America Line West Tours, Christine Thurlow. Welcome to the Vancouver Wedding Show, Christine.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Christine, Holland America has a long history of a tradition of excellence. Tell us a little bit about the company.
Well, Holland America Line has just celebrated their 125th anniversary in the cruise industry. And certainly our tradition of excellence has been very strong in the last year. Now we have 8 ships sailing in our fleet. And the ships are sailing all over the world, everything from 3-day cruises down the coast here down the coast to California, all the way up to 7-day cruises in Alaska and the Caribbean. We have ships going over to Europe very shortly, and we'll also have a world cruise that's going on right now. So if you have 90 days to sail around the world, we can certainly take you there.
What makes Holland America special?
Well, Holland America is a company that really emphasizes some of the unique touches on board the ship. For example, we on every single one of our ships we bring on millions of dollars worth of art and antiques just to add to the atmosphere. I think it really does bring that special feeling on board the ships. We also like to bring on fresh flowers. Every single sailing we bring on big bunches of flowers, and I really think that adds to the beauty on the ship and makes you feel like you're in a special place when you're while you're cruising. We also have just an unbelievable crew. Our Filipino and the Indonesians that are servicing the passengers are they just give you that really special feeling when you're on board. So the smiles on their faces, the way they go out of their way to make sure that you're having a wonderful time is just a fabulous feeling on board.
Is there anything that Holland America has that they offer specifically for honeymoon couples?
Holland America has what we call these romantic celebration packages, which can be arranged prior to the cruise. And what we do on board is provide bottles of wine at dinner, photo albums for you to take a special picture back home, or massages. So things that we do that will really pamper you and really provide a very memorable experience.
Can you get married on board a cruise ship?
We have what we call wedding planners who can make arrangements for you while in port. So what we do is we'll set up a wedding in any of the ports in the Caribbean or in Alaska here in Vancouver or up in Europe. So there are certain areas, any of the many ports throughout the world where we can actually make arrangements for you to get married on the ship.
If a couple is planning a cruise for their honeymoon, how far in advance should they book?
We recommend that you start planning your honeymoon at the same time you start planning your wedding. So about a year to 6 months in advance. We recommend that you put down a deposit to avoid any disappointment. Make sure you get the cruise of your dreams.
Are there any specific documentation requirements for traveling on a cruise?
As a Canadian citizen, we always recommend that you travel with a passport. But depending on the destination, your travel agent can also provide you with the current documentation that is required.
Whether you're newly married or planning your second honeymoon or just wanting that perfect romantic getaway, cruising definitely has options for you. Christine, you've provided our viewers with a lot of valuable information on cruising. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Susan, for the opportunity to be on your show. I hope I've been able to provide viewers with some unique ideas on how to plan their romantic honeymoon.
Later on in the show, Christine will be back to tell you how to rekindle the romance in your life with the casual elegance of a Windstar sail cruise.
Your wedding takes weeks, months, even years of planning, then flashes by so quickly. So have your once-in-a-lifetime day preserved forever by Quality Video Productions. We can capture the ceremony, the events, the people, and even the emotion. Quality Video Productions is among the best equipped video facilities in Vancouver, featuring the latest in digital technology. Count on Quality Video Productions to make your memories last forever.